things kids should be doing. So we're having a good time out here.
Hold on one second, I've got to kiss this little one. Hello, little girl. This journey has been indescribable, the opportunity of a lifetime. I'm going to support her and love her and fight for her regardless.
Something that we're excited about, but also sad that, you know, this chapter in our lives is coming to an end.
Number 5. You got that?
Number 5.
Number 5. Number 5.
Number 5?